We all have a hero inside us, no need for superpowers. All it takes is courage and compassion. Today we're sharing heartwarming footage of animals seeking human help, reminding us of the power of kindness. So join us by hitting the subscribe button and turning on notifications.
Hey, come on, buddy.
These two dogs were wandering in the streets in very bad condition. The mother dog was shot by a dehumanized person and was severely injured. Poor dog was all skin and bones. However, she still used her last strength to take care of her blind child. The fate of these two dogs may have ended. Fortunately, these kind-hearted people did not let that happen. The kitten's eyes was covered in scab. Poor animal was unable to see anything. It would struggle to grow up with the damaged eyes. Thankfully, the little beauty got surgery, and it will continue to see the light.
This little fawn was in a dire situation with no hope in sight. Its mother waited anxiously nearby, longing for a reunion.
I know. Now, that's silly, isn't it?
Thanks to the rescue team, the fawn was saved and reunited with its mother.
Oh, I can't.
A very brave moment happened off when a girl picked up a stranded shark between rocks and strong waves and released it back home. You can see that humans never hesitate to help animals. It's soul-crashing when seeing this little cat on the side of the road, laying in a muddy puddle. It seemed to have been out of breath and close to dying, until a man with a kind heart shows up to take care of it, freed from the fishing line by this kind human. Now it's free, but check this out. It's not in any rush to run away, thanking its savior instead.
Okay, go. Baby, hey. Okay, you can go.
A 60,000-pound orca was stranded on the shore. Hundreds of people was united to help it, despite getting soaked by the tides. The orca finally made it back to the waters and was able to swim away after many hours and attempts. And here, a police officer came to a dog's aid
Dog in the car!
when it got stuck in a burning SUV.
Hey, come on, man! Hey, come on! Come on, buddy! Oh my God!
Take a look at the way it expressed gratitude for its savior. This turtle was saved after getting caught in a deadly net. However, it has stopped breathing, and it could die if it weren't for humans' aid. The man immediately swooped in with a heart massage and a mouth-to-mouth.
I mean, they breathe oxygen, you know. Who likes that?
A trapped fox faced a bleak future until humans intervened. Despite the animal's fear and agitation, and even a rescuer being bitten, the rescue mission was undertaken with determination.
In this country, it must be an illegal trap.
These great people came together for an only goal: saving this dog. They hold hands and put 100% trust in each other. And in the end, not letting their efforts go in vain, the rescue mission was succeeded.
It's okay, girl. Okay, we'll get
This
you
baby
out,
deer
okay?
got stuck in a fence and
Give me
loudly
this sound.
cried due to the resulting pain.
Go. I know. Okay. I know.
Thankfully, people heard the animal and came to its aid.
That's something you don't see every day.
Imagine how could this little bird had to carry more than 50 Dermatobia homonis on its body. Poor thing. Fortunately, the vets discovered it in time and nursed it back to health.
This poor dog was found in a cemetery, emaciated, exhausted, dehydrated, and barely breathing. Most people passed him by without a second glance, but thankfully there were still kind souls stepped in to help the animal.
This young man with a big heart are trying to free a giant whale that got tangled in a fishing net. Thankfully, Human didn't let the poor creature drown. How could a human refuse such a cute act? The lady takes out a bottle of soda and the chimp quickly leads her to the dropping point, only that it's a small hole in the glass window. She then pours the chimp the drink, who is seen sipping happily. If the owner of this house hadn't come home in time, this dog would not have lasted long in the almost 100 degrees heat. Poor animal was hiding from the sun for almost 2 hours. But now, this poor thing won't have to hide under the house ever again. This baby deer is hopelessly stuck in the mud, and it appears the situation is dire. But then, suddenly a human comes to its aid. The rescue mission was tough, because the swamp is very wide and deeply sunken. Luckily, the miserable animal was rescued from a sticky situation.
While walking in the woods, a little bunny suddenly darted toward this man seeking help. Lost and alone, the scared creature desperately needed a way out. Fortunately, the kind human took it home, where it found a safe and cozy place.
This abandoned dog was suffer severe illness, with thousands of ticks on its ears. It was exhausted, and Human was its only hope. Thankfully, these kind people didn't let it down.
This buck got stuck in the thick mud, and this compassionate men were trying to grab the creature out as it didn't have any chance to do so by itself. The whole rescue mission requires massive strength.
There you go. That's it. Come on.
Finally, the poor buck was out of this terrible place. This pet was a victim of the owner's neglect and had been living in a squalid room for 6 years. It was set for euthanasia, but this warm-hearted woman didn't let it happen. She saved the miserable animal, and now it can learn to trust Human once again.
This sheep has been lying helplessly in the swamp, and Human was its only hope. A man finds it lying there. He decides to jump straight inside with his regular clothes and pulls it out onto the dry land.
Unsung heroes, no recognition, but great job done. Which story touched you the most? Let us know, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more.